as you know, this is my first visit to Bhutan. When I arrived here, I got the whole atmosphere and the whole feeling is different. I feel like being in the pure realm, with everywhere you see temples, stupas, and all the signs are in Tibetan or in Bhutanese and Tibetan letter is same. So this I've been to many countries, but I have never seen such a atmosphere. So therefore, I was very, very happy. And then also, I visited many temples. These temples are very, very ancient, thousands of years old temples. So when you enter there, you can feel that there's a great blessing, there's a great spiritual power. And then also I had the audience with His Majesty and the family yesterday, and it was very, very, and they were so humble. They were a great person, but they were so humble and so kind, so nice to us, and so I really got that this is the real Dharma King. The real Dharma King is like this. And so I also pray and that you got such a good life with all the modern facilities, all the development. All of this is due to the kindness of His Majesty, Father and Mother, the Son, both. And so therefore, now everybody should remember their kindness, and then it's very important to pray for them to live long and to fulfill all their noble aspirations. And that I will also pray that always that they will have a very long life and to fulfill all their great wishes. Then at the same time that, as I said before, that all the Buddhas are same in terms of their wisdom, their compassion, and their power. There's no difference. All of them are same. But due to our own karmic connections, it makes a difference. So if you pray to the one that you have the karmic connection, then it is much easier, much quicker to invoke His blessings and to receive His blessings. So the Guru Pema Sambhava, the Guru Rinpoche, is very karmic connected right from the beginning until now. And so for the sake of ourselves, for the sake of the country, for the sake of everybody, that we should pray to Guru Rinpoche day and night, all the time, because through his blessings, the Buddha Dharma was spread in our countries. Through his blessings, the Buddha Dharma is maintained for the last so many years and flourished in many ways. And through his now, and in this critical time, in this very, how should I say, difficult time, when everything, there's so many disasters, so many different things are happening in the world, the pandemics, the war, and all kinds of things. And at this time, I think the best method is to invoke the blessings of the Guru Rinpoche. And when you prepare to him, it is much quicker than any other Buddhas, any other Buddhas. So therefore everybody should pray to Guru Rinpoche and pray to have the peace and harmony and prosperous in the whole world, and especially in this country. And if you do this, then you will enjoy the happy life in this life, and also more importantly in our future lives, future life is very long, and it is a very so that time anyone who prays to Guru Rinpoche will not fall into any of the lower realms and always go from happiness to happiness. So therefore, that is very important to everybody to emphasize the prayer to the Guru Rinpoche, recite Om Benza Guru Pema Siddhi Hung and Thidu Sondev and Tisu Sangye, etc. I'm sure many of you already know, but that I don't need to teach you, so you should recite this. And so with that, I don't have much to say. Finally, I pray that His Majesty, Father and the Son and all the royal families have a very good health, long life, prosperity, and to fulfill their noble aspirations. And through their kindness, that whole country will also enjoy happiness, prosperous, and harmony and peace and joy everywhere. So with this now I conclude my teaching today here.